Hey guys, welcome to another video from Digit.in, and we have with us the new Redmi 6 Pro by Xiaomi. Xiaomi is on an onslaught of for launching devices this year, and we are looking at the new Redmi 6 Pro. So a lot of people are calling it the Mi A2 Lite that launched in the global markets earlier this I think last month, and yeah, it has come to India in the form of the Redmi 6 Pro. So yeah, I will quickly take the wraps of this device to tell you what comes with the boxes, how the phone looks like, and give you a quick rundown of the specs as well. So yeah, the box is out and I have the phone here with me. It has the basic specifications of it. It comes with a dual camera, 12 plus 5 MP, 5.8 inch full HD plus display, and a 4000 mAh battery. So these are the main highlights of the phone. It comes off, so I can give you a clear view of how the display is. So yeah, you can see it's quite compact for a Xiaomi device. Alright, so it's launched as a competition for the Realme 2 Pro, and I will keep the device to turn on while I show you guys what else comes with the box. So yeah, I think there's a TPU case that is bundled along with the box. This is your warranty information and safety manual, and this is the TPU case. It should fit quite snug in the body. Yes, it does, and will render some protection, added protection to the body as well. Now, otherwise you get a normal charger and a micro USB cable. So charger, I don't think it's a fast charging enabled, so it is your regular Xiaomi adapter that you get. So yeah, these are all the things you get in the box. So now that the phone has started, we will quickly set it up and give you a quick rundown of how everything is inside. Yeah. So while it's loading, let me give you a quick rundown. So this comes with the Snapdragon 625 under the hood. That was Xiaomi's most popular chipset last year, and it's good to see the chipset trickling down to the budget segment as well. We have seen the Redmi Y2 before earlier this year that came with the 625. The Redmi Note 5 also came with a 625. So yeah, it's still in use and it's not a bad chipset at all. We have seen quite good performance out of the chipset, very good battery life out of it. Combine that with the 4000 mAh battery, so it seems very promising for now. So it does come with a micro USB charger port, metal body design. It's a typical Xiaomi design that you have come to see in most Xiaomi's budget devices or Redmi devices. A dual camera is something new for the budget segment and has rear mounted fingerprint sensor as well. Now up front, as you can see, is the infamous notch. Yes, the notch has made its way to the budget segment. To be honest, Realme 2 was the first to introduce the notch in this segment, and Xiaomi quickly followed up with this one. Now the notch doesn't really take up a lot of space, but just the fact that it's there kind of gives me not a good vibes out of the phone. But yeah, I think some people will like it. But let me tell you one thing, the phone does not support full HD plus streaming. That's been the ongoing debate right now about the Poco F1 phone. So yeah, it turns out all Xiaomi devices doesn't have that required certification to run full HD plus videos on Netflix. Now given that, the 1080p screen on this one might look good, but its usability gets restricted by a lot. So yeah, the phone is on, up and running. So you get MIUI, even though this is the Mi A2 Lite in the global markets. In India, it has the MIUI 9.5, I believe, in this one. Right, so I think you guys should be able to see now the brightness is up. as far as the rest of the things goes, it has got 4 GB of RAM. Yes, that's quite a lot for the budget segment. 64 GB of storage, a dedicated micro USB micro SD slot. I will be showing it to you guys as well. So this is the SIM card remover, and if you put it in, see, you can see there's space for 1 SD card and 2 SIM cards, so you don't have to compromise on the second SIM card as well. Now overall this display looks pretty good, but like I said, it's going to be restricted usage, so up to you to decide how you would be using it. There's 9.5 MIUI. I think there will be an update to MIUI 10 in the near future, but this one's based on Android 8.1 Oreo, so it's quite the latest one. You get a 625 chipset, like I've said before, that goes up to 2 gigahertz of clock speed. It has a quad-core, octa-core arrangement in it. Now, apart from that, this 4000 mAh of battery, but the camera is also quite interesting. You do get a dual camera unit at the back, a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel unit. The secondary sensor here is for capturing good bokehs. So we will be taking a photo quickly to check just how it works. So yeah, this is the resulting photo with seems like good colors so far. We will be testing it out for sure a lot more and give you a full verdict in our review. But yeah, this is the Redmi 6 Pro. It is going to compete with the Realme 2 under the budget segment, and yeah, it's good to see a feature packed device in this segment. Wait for a full review, and for now this is all that we have to share. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you want more content like this, let us know in the comment, and if you've liked this video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.